When your building materials are delivered, it is important to make sure that you properly inventory all delivered materials. With your shipper, go over your bill of materials provided by your distributor and ensure all materials have arrived in good condition. When offloading, it is also recommended that you unload all materials as close to the building site as possible and in stacking materials in order of use. In this case, we have all framing materials, including all C and Z sections, followed by all wall and roof sheeting, trim bundles, and other various hardware.